see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to.
Nakapark na pala ako dito sa labas ng school. Hinihintay ko na lang si Holly Girl. And hindi ko tinurn off yung car kasi sobrang init. Naka-aircon tayo. Tapos ano pa kasi yung sun, harap sa akin. So para si Holly din hindi mainitan kasi sobrang init today. Time is 3:17. Hi baby girl.
I cooked something. Can you try it?
What's that?
It's like a pancake. It's
Okay,
soft.
I'll try
It
it.
has zucchini,
Zucchini.
squash,
And what else?
carrots.
Carrots. Okay, let's go. Kailangan ko nang lumabas dito bago pa maging busy ang kalsada kasi nasa highway tayo. Put your seatbelt now, please. Thank you. Okay, dito na kami. Nakapark na kami. Malapit sa kanyang dance lesson. Okay. What's in here? Oh, it's still warm. It smells good.
There's 3 in there.
3.
3.
Is it quiche?
No.
Omelette.
No.
Oh, what? Pancake?
It's no.
Veggies pancake.
It's similar to pancake.
Yeah.
Its last name of it is Fritz.
Fritz?
Yeah, that's the last name of it.
Oh,
I don't know the other bit.
But for me, it's like a pancake
It
veggies.
looks like an omelette.
Omelette, yeah. Omelette slash pancake. So, merong tatlo. Meron siyang peas,
the beet.
carrots, zucchini,
What's this?
Peas.
Herbs.
oregano,
Yeah.
or
Parsley. There's parsley.
parsley. Okay.
And spring onions.
Spring, yeah, I can smell the spring onions.
Take a bite.
Meron dito oh, is this yours?
Yeah.
Not bad.
I don't like it.
You don't like it because a lot of veggies. There's a lot of peas. Good teacher won't eat it.
It's better with tomato sauce. Way better.
But daddy will like this.
You can you save me some?
Yeah.
You can have. You can have.
No, it's alright. I'm full because I had sweet potatoes. Yeah. I made that time too
Like
because
corn squishy guys. You like it, Mom?
yeah. Okay, what did you do today aside cooking?
Aside from cooking,
Yeah.
I did math, spelling,
Spelling.
I did Italian.
Italian.
Yeah, just Italian.
Okay.
So I have Italian, novel study.
Novel.
Novel study. I also
What else?
also did.
There's
Oh,
nothing
that's it. That's it.
window.
It's like KG cooking, and that's it.
So your cooking is the last
And so next
last
week,
subject.
yeah. Next week on Monday I have gardening.
Gardening.
Then the next week I have cooking. So it takes turns.
Yeah, it takes turns. So every week may ganap sila gardening or cooking.
Yeah, on Mondays.
Yeah. And then when was the harmony? Last week.
I got casual
When was
clothes
that?
day.
Nandito pa yung aking nung 18. When was that? Wednesday? Nung Wednesday, ayan.
No, Tuesday.
Is
Because
it-
I had 2 dances.
yeah, Tuesday, yes. I went to, isang school na private din dito. Harmony Day kasi nila.
Are you going there tomorrow?
No. So, ang ginawa ko ay nagluto po ako ng biko sa school nila and sobrang nagustuhan nila yung biko. Tingnan ko kung ma-insert ko yung video kasi sinend sa akin yung video ng teacher. Kasi yung mga bata, sobrang nasarapan and gusto nila pumunta ulit ako next time. Sabi ko, we'll see. That's my gardening hut, Baba.
It's the best food. It's very cultural. I love it. It's fantastic. It's amazing. It's good.
It's really good.
It's amazing.
It's delicious.
It's the best.
It's the best. It's good.
I love eating this. It's nice.
Excellent. What are you excited, Chona?
Thank you.
Time. Sabi ko, we'll see. That's my gardening hut, Baba.
So big.
Oh, speaking of gardening, hindi ko pa na-transfer yung plant or yung cherry tree sa malaking pot. Kasi nga, nung naglalaba ako, naglilinis din ako ng bahay, tapos naglaba, then tumawag na si Jana, pumunta ako ng farm. And yeah, so hindi ko pa yun nagagawa. And meron sana akong i-unbox din sa inyo. Dala ko nga. Nung ano pa to, last week pa to guys. Hindi ko ma-unbox kasi nga may mga ginagawa din kami. Ako, lagi din ako dito sa sa town. Then yun nga, pumunta rin ako sa ibang school. Yun, eto, isa to. Yeah, so na-busy. And hopefully, ma-unbox ko to. Sobrang excited akong ipakita to sa inyo. So yan guys, hintayin ko lang yung oras. Then magki-quick grocery tayo.
What's that tea?
I'm just gonna buy chicken tender.
What about for Zach? Because he doesn't want sandwiches.
Chicken tenders nga. I'm gonna buy chicken
Can you
tenders
make
and then
croissants for me instead?
croissant for lunch.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna buy croissant.
With ham.
Okay. Si Sak ayaw niya na ng sandwich. Sabi ko, gusto mo bang bumalik doon sa...
Maya. Is that Maya? Yeah, it's Maya.
Sabi ko, gusto mo bang bumalik doon sa ginagawa ko na hot food? Gusto niya, pero ayaw niya magdala ng lunch
Can I
box.
go
Sabi
now,
ko, paano? No, it's too early.
But Maya.
No, I don't care, Baba. It's too early.
What time is my day? It's 4.
So, meron ka pang 15 minutes.
Mm.
Inuunahan ko na dito pumunta kasi napupuno to guys na parking. So kahit maaga pa, nagpa-park na talaga ako dito. Kaya dinadala ko rin yung laptop para makapag-edit at hindi masayang yung oras ko. Kasi minsan 4:45 ang kanyang dance or 4 o'clock. Ang pinakamaaga is 3:30. Ano yun? Wednesday. Okay, ang dami ko rin sinabi. 6 minutes, 7 minutes na to. Okay, dito na yung ating dancerette. Ngayon naman po tayo ng calls, mag quick grocery. And di ba kanina sabi ko sa inyo mag chicken tender kami? Mag roast chicken. Ano na lang kami? Bun.
For tea?
Yeah, with gravy. How's that? Good?
That sounds brilliant.
Okay, let's go. Guys. You got bags? Alright. Okay. Dito na tayo sa calls. Malulubat na to. Hindi pa naman. Mga 47% pa kayo. Okay. Do you know what you're gonna get?
Me? Yeah.
Yung water. What are you for? Yeah, so we can get
There's
back.
only 3.
Yeah. Okay.
Put them in here.
Anna. Oh, it's all green. No, it's all green. Yeah, this one is on. Oh, wait.
How about this one?
We're going to lane later. Once again, you're not following the leader.
I need punch.
I want crunchy green. That one I love.
This one?
It's up to you. Just okay. Sour, right? It's sour. That's a rip bag. it's alright. Come on.
What else do we need?
You have to get the salami for Sakwan salami.
Okay,
I think we still have veggies. I still have a lot of veggies.
corn.
I still have corn. A pumpkin.
Huh?
Pumpkin. Yeah, butternut pumpkin. Not that one. So tiny fish. No, not that one. Alright, they don't have it. Get salami, Baba. Salami. Here. Or the other one. Salami. I'll go get it. Here. Go find chicken.
I'll go get it. Mom,
Huh?
I'll go get it. Okay. Mom,
Chicken, okay. Huh? Is that the last one?
yeah, you know, someone got it.
Uh-huh.
Got this and they put it back, so I grabbed it.
Is that the last one?
Yeah, because he grabbed it, and then there was one where I was like, oh no, but he put it back, so I grabbed it.
Are you sure? Yeah. Are you sure he's not gonna get it back?
No, there's kind of cold, and he went away, so.
Okay. Yes, I do. Check it first. You have to move. You have to move them. Because sometimes it stops. Like it's fast and then it stops. Like this one. See? It stops. See? Kasi pag stop minsan, crack na siya. Oh yeah, there's a crack. See?
Can you double check just?
Ah, it's alright. Most important, tubig. Ako na, Baba. Ako na. Oh my God, you're so strong. Ako na. Lagyan na. Oh, mahulog na kayo.
Another one?
Yeah.
What else? Porridge.
Porridge.
The porridge.
Okay.
Oh. Mom,
Which one?
that one would that one.
Okay. And then I need... Baba. Okay, wait.
This is like our emergency milk.
Yes. Ito, swirl. Then, ito din. Tama nga si Holly, wala nang chicken. Oh, last one na yung nakuha niya. Oh,
It's like, I got the chicken. It's like,
reenactment. Good job, Baba. We have dinner now tonight. Tingnan kami kung mayroon silang bread rolls. Pero ang mas gusto ni John is yung sa Baker's Delight. Ayan yung donut. Okay. Is that the one they like? So, pa tayo ditong bread rolls just in case wala na sa Baker's Delight. Ah, no, not that one. This one, Baba. Okay, get one. Oh, no, not now, not now. Kuha ko ng aking butter. This one. Si Bertulli. Gusto nito ng mga bata kasi si Jan ayaw niya. Iba rin yung butter ni Johnny Boy. What, that is butter? Flora. Gypsy ham. Hi. Ito yung kunin natin na ham. Yung gypsy leg ham. 150 grams. It's, yeah. Or 150. Make it 150. Yes, please. Hi. Ayan. Paper, please. Do they have the 24? Or just 20? It's alright, that one. It's alright, Baba. Come on. I think that's okay. Put it down now. Alright. I-try natin tong lemon and herb corn ribs. Try natin yan. I think we're okay now, Baba, for now. Ayan yung mga nabili natin. Tapos na tayo dito. Kasi meron pa naman ako sa bahay ng mga gulay. And may meat pa doon. Yeah, okay. Come on. Oh, Kuya wants this one. I wasn't sure what flavor. Yeah.
He normally likes vanilla
Vanilla?
or banana.
But that one was bigger. This is small.
He likes banana.
Yeah, but this is small. I don't know if that's the one. For Daddy and Holly.
And the rest of everyone.
Okay, we're good? Ito pa. Activia. Okay, let's go. Bye na tayo.
Alright, let's have it.
Oh, go there, Baba. Hurry now. There, go. Okay. Start putting this one, Baba.
But I need cold.
Bye na tayo, guys. Hi. Wala pa din si Jan. Nandun pa rin siya sa...
The horses go back.
Nandun pa rin siya sa, sa farm. Ilalagay lang ni Jan. Yung takbo ng antibata. Ito yung bread
Please
na
ask that one.
kinuha natin sa Baker's Delight. So, meron tayong Vegemite scroll. And ito, gusto ko siyang i-try. Ano siya? Meron siyang crispy parmesan cheese and then pepper. Tapos very soft dito. Tapos sa top, medyo ano siya, crunchy. And bread rolls. Kumuha tayong isa sa Coles. Malaki kasi yun. Ito, yung isa. Meron dun sa Baker's Delight na malaki din. Kaso, matigas. Ayaw nila yun. And nakakuha tayo ng another kind of bread, Kuya. I don't know the name.
Looks good.
Kinuha ko lang. Tapos meron tayong chives and cheese scroll. Nakuha natin tong 3.
Please, what did you want them?
Then, dalawang sliced bread.
Is this Vegemite's right?
Yeah, that's for daddy. And then eto yung kay Holly. Papatikin mo sa daddy niya.
Okay. Yan, you want to try?
Ilalagay ko sa freezer etong dalawa. Kasi meron pa kami dito. So, nag-freeze tayo ng bread. And much better na i-freeze nyo ang bread. Basta yan. If i-freeze natin yan. What's that?
What's in there?
That's the chive scroll. Cheese? Like onion. Okay.
In the gravy.
And ito yung sa Coles na nabili natin. Ano na guys? Magsa-7 na. Ano?
6.50.
No, 7. Yeah, magsa-7 na.
Are you making gravy?
Yeah, I'm gonna make gravy. Oh, Baba, help me now. Put all this in the fridge now, please. Lagay ko lang to sa...
Is it this one?
No. I have the gravy cut there.
I want you. Oh, it's still recording. What happened? Why can this go?
Thank you. Here.
Cinnamon. My croissant.
So that's for you tomorrow.
Emergency milk.
Now,
Now,
here.
you know why I don't like couch straight out of a cow? I don't know when it expires.
Ah, yeah. Si Jan kasi, yung pinsan ni Jan, meron silang dairy. Then, one day, this week, or no, last week, kumuha si Jan ng fresh na gatas. Ito siya.
I don't know if it's expired.
So, last week to, so, very creamy. Hindi ko pa natikman, guys, yung dito. Hindi ko pa siya natikman.
No, I don't know where to put this.
You just put it, I'll do it. Ayan siya, very creamy siya. Sabi ni Jan, trinay niya, very creamy, very rich. Kaso, yung mga bata, did you try this, Olive? How was it? Tell them,
Like milk.
is it, which one's better? The one in supermarket?
But it tastes the same.
Ah, they taste the same. But this ones look like thicker.
It's a little bit creamier.
Creamier siya, oh. Ay, sayang. Sana ginawa ko tong butter. We'll see. Joke lang. Butter.
It's from bread.
Grabe naman. Madaming pwedeng gawin sa gatas, di ba? So, ito sana, fresh. So, ngayon, hindi nila ininom kasi nga, hindi nila alam kung kailan siya mag-expire. Kinuha to ni Jan last week. So, ano ko na to kasi wala namang iinom niya. Sayang. Ano pa ba ang pwedeng gawin dyan? Cottage cheese nga. Cottage cheese ba? O ricotta cheese? Meron akong nakita sa... Saan ko ba yung nakita? Sa Reels yata na gumawa ng cottage cheese ba yun? Basta something ganyan. So, see. Gusto ko siya matikman. Baka kumuha ulit si Jan. Anytime naman daw pwede siyang kumuha doon. And yung saging ay medyo, green. Hindi medyo, green na green pa. Ay, mag-ano tayo ng gravy. Init lang tayo ng tubig. And then gravy. Ay, pagod na yung asawa ko ngayon. Walang tigil siya sa farm. I-feed niya pa yung niya. Yung injured niyang doon na cow. Horse. Tapos, painumin niya yun ng gamot. Then, may spray si Jan dun sa kanyang wound. Diba nakita nyo naman yung sugat mo? Okay na to. Lagay ko lang to sa microwave para madali lang. Holly, where's the chicken, Baba? Baba! Hindi ko nakita yung manok. Yung pa naman yung dinner natin. Yeah. You're the one holding it. Okay, ayusin ko lang dito, guys. Ito gusto, dito, siguro mag-ano ako. Magsasalad sana ako, pero gusto ko siyang tikman. So mag-ano na lang ako, lagyan ko ng chicken. Ay, first time ko siya mata-try. And dapat mag-walking ako. Let's see kung makapag-walking ko. Baka bukas na lang. Bukas na lang mag-walking. Gusto ko kasing ginagawa yung walking pag umaga. Kasi kanina umaga, dami kong ginawa. Nag-edit din pala ako. Naglinis, naglaba. May tutupin pa pala ako. Ayun.
The buzzes are including me.
Ha? Including? Magtutupi. Ay, may tupiin pa pala ako. So, tupiin ko siya ngayon para bukas okay na. Hi, boys! Please grab the clothes from the line. Tuturuan sila. Kasi kahapon, no, kuya, because it's gonna be cold. Si Sak kasi ang gumawa ata kahapon magkuha ng mga damit. So, alternate sila. Okay, ayusin ko lang dito. So, ito yung gagamitin natin na bread rolls tonight. And ito bukas, kay Sak. Kasi gusto niya raw bread rolls. Ito, snacks ni John. At ito yung dessert nila tonight. Natin. Ay, ito lang na-excited. Si Holly, itong gusto niyang baon bukas. Ano, ham. Ham and cheese. Come on, boys, so we can... Because I have to fold the clothes. At lagi kong chine-check ang eggs. Lagi niyong i-check ang eggs kasi ano tayo, nasasayangan ng isa o dalawa. Lagi na, pinapagalaw ko ito lagi pag binibili. And more dessert. Hindi ko kinuha yung protein na yogurt kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung gusto nila kuya doon. Nakalimutan ko kung anong flavor. Baka hindi mo gustuhan. $3 something yun at tapos masasayang lang. Kaya sabi ko, tanungin ko na lang si kuya. Next time. Kunin natin. Si kuya, kinain niya na.
What's this?
That's for mine. Ngayon ko lang na-notice na yung chicken na nakuha ni Holly is peri-peri chicken.
What's that?
Hindi siya yung regular na kinukuha namin. Lagay ko ulit itong saglit sa microwave kasi gusto ko, thick siya. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-thick.
That's not the right one.
It's alright, I think. Peri-peri is good.
Well, there was only one chicken left.
I know, so.
So at least we had chicken instead of having none.
We have no choice anyway.
I don't even think they were cooking any. I don't even think they were cooking any. We got lucky, Mum. Because he put it back, so I just took it. It's limited edition.
Yeah, limited edition. $13.50. Yeah, it looks good.
Smells like normal chicken.
Let's try. Oh, yung akin yung pakpak.
No, I just don't like the chicken that way.
Yeah?
Don't like the chicken that way.
Good.
Does it taste the same?
Yeah. Nice
The
and
taste
decent.
is different. That's better.
Think so?
Has more seasoning and flavor.
Very good, Holly. Sarap. Galing mag-explain. Oh. Ayan.
Sobrang masarap.
Sobrang masarap. Ayan. Very thick na yung ating gravy. Why, did you wash your hands? Oh my God.
What recycle is that?
Holly, you know that you have to wash your hands every time you touch food. Slice ko lang to, then i-butter ko yung bread. Then, ayan ang chicken gravy, and we're good. We have dinner. Quick dinner.
And the roll.
Masarap. Yeah.
And then we have quick dessert.
What dessert?
Cinnamon donuts.
Kinakain ko yung pakpak. Sarap. O siguro pinarik ng babae. Kasi nakita niya rin siguro yung flavor na peri-peri. Mild, spicy. Nakalagay kasi parang may mild siya dyan. Maybe that's why the lady put it back. Because it's not the regular chicken.
No, it was a dude. It was a guy.
Ah, it's a guy. It's a dude. It's a guy.
But it's bitter. Way bitter.
It's not spicy at all.
Why would it be spicy?
It says mild. See the chili? Mild. Sarap.
It has lots and lots of seasoning and flavor. You can see the seasoning.
Ang sarap nga.
Are you
Daddy will
gonna
love
have? Are you gonna have a roll, or are you just gonna have the chicken?
it. I'm gonna try the bread.
That one.
The new one, yeah.
Can I try? Looks like a bread.
It is bread.
Yeah, it looks like a bread. Splash, I'm charging it.
And nahimay ko na yung buong chicken. Ngayon, ibabatry natin to. Inon ni Holly yung TV kasi nagustuhan niyang manood nitong
Hello, Pop.
Bon Appetit. Yung chef na Korean, na may English subtitle.
Oh, I feel.
You like that?
Yeah.
Naiintindihan niya, naka-English
Like I'm
subtitle.
in the
Na
story.
English, nagsasalita sila ng English, parang na-dub ba?
It's like I'm in the story when I'm watching it.
It's like you feel like you're in the story.
Uh-huh.
Gutom na to. Kasi kanina pa siya nagpipik. Ang bilis ng oras, guys. 7:30 na agad.
Dad's still not here.
Dad will be so tired. You want cheese?
Do I have a wrap if I want?
No, because I don't have wrap. That's not good now. That's hard.
I'll have just cheese.
Can you open that for me? Sure. This is Solly first because Solly's been waiting.
How many cheeses?
Do you want cheese, Solly?
Next. Where's that?
Get the small plate, please.
Oh, there's one right there. Thanks, Mum. Let's take the bite of with chicken and gravy and bread. That's good.
I want gravy.
You don't like
No, I
that?
want that.
Here are
How's the plants? Got a bit of skin with it.
the plants. Good. Hindi ko winater yung plants. I didn't put water today. It was
Yeah,
so
that's
wet.
good. Were you at the farm
Yeah, I
with
was.
Brock there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did Brock told you?
No, I just knew where he was.
Oh,
Next one.
okay. Kuya, you're next. It's not ready yet, but you're next. Okay. Kuya. How about you, Kuya? You want more?
I love this chicken.
You love the chicken? Ulit-ulit isa. I love this chicken.
We got lucky to get this chicken.
This one for you, Kuya. No cheese. Tingnan mo, guys.
We got lucky. Oh my. We got lucky for the chicken. Because
This is the last one.
there was someone
Ready to
who grabbed it and then put it back, so I just grabbed it.
Bilis mo. Bilis mo doon, Holly. Oh, Daddy's here. Maybe we'll give this to Daddy first.
Hey, babe, working hard.
Hi,
Dad,
Daddy.
yours is ready.
Wash your hands, honey. Really? Huh?
Oh, hot gravy rolls. Oh,
Yeah.
look, Zach, got your rolls, mate.
Dad, try the chicken.
Wash your hands. Okay.
That chicken's better.
Yeah, this chicken's good.
What?
They have the
Colors.
Masako. Daddy's gonna wash his hands pa. Two, honey. Two.
Thanks, Mum.
You're
Is this
welcome.
the same one?
Yeah.
No, like this one.
Yeah, the same rolls. That's Cole's one though. Mas malaki yung sa Cole's compared sa Baker's Delight. Pero mas malambot yung sa Baker's Delight.
I don't want any more, Mom.
You don't want any? Okay. Nabusog talaga ako dun sa ano. Wow. Ask Daddy to try that first. Huh? Omelette? Yeah, it tastes good though. Let Daddy try your cooking.
He
Daddy.
won't like it. There's too
Just-
much veggies.
No, he likes veggies. He likes carrots and peas.
Oh.
Dad,
What are you doing, Rizla?
she wants
Oh, you got a bit of hair, Lizzie.
she wants you to try her cooking, honey. It's good. Try.
Dad, I put tomato sauce. Dad, put tomato sauce on it.
Try that one.
I don't like cooking when it's.
Where's that?
It's like an omelette
It's
veggies.
better with tomato sauce, Dad. You need tomato sauce.
I'll try it out first.
Without. It's not bad. No? It's not bad. It's like an omelette. Veggies.
I like it.
Yeah, see?
Dad, what do you like more, cherry ripe or picnic?
Sure, right.
See, told you. I got you the cherry ripe, huh? He changed it to picnic.
You said you didn't like
That's
that
good.
before.
What can you make this at home?
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, okay. Give me the recipe. I'll make that to Dad.
Holly makes it.
Ah, okay. Si Holly daw. Si Holly ang gagawa.
That's good, huh?
No, what's my
It'll
bad?
be good with tomato sauce.
Yeah, that's what he
I'll
told.
try
She
it.
told me.
I like
There's three in there. That's one.
it. Huh?
There's three. 1, 2, 3.
Okay,
Try it
good.
back.
I told you.
I cooked today.
Here,
There
honey.
you go.
Two.
I'll just...
I made chicken pad thai. It was that bad. No, we stuffed it up.
The pad thai.
Yeah.
Oh, nagluto din si Kuya. Si Kuya din meron din siyang cooking.
I
Once,
bet
do you
it's
do
good.
you do that every once a week or
Dad.
every what? Every 2 weeks?
I think my cooking's in
No,
every
fine.
week. I think my have another one with extra chicken.
Give
Huh?
the same Jane, I'll just have this.
No, I want another one with extra chicken, no cheese.
You want this one? One more?
I don't want any more because I've got...
Oh yeah, okay. Holly, TJ, want more?
Extra chicken.
What about extra
Like
chicken?
more chicken than what you had.
There's a lot of chicken.
Ah.
See, that's full.
Mm.
Si Kuya nakatatlo na. Si Sak 1.5, binigay niya kay Daddy yung kalahati.
Let's put some on this one.
Dad, do you know this is spicy chicken?
Oh.
Okay. Try ko na ito. Pero busog na ako.
Not mine.
It looks like, yeah, it looks pizza yung pagkahati. Pagka-slice.
Better than jam. Did you see that?
Not the good jam donuts, huh?
The hot jam donuts better. These. Must have one now.
Yeah.
Because like you want a donut.
Huwag ko muna lagyan ng ano. Gravy. Ang lasa.
Oh, I know.
But
Yeah.
put that in
Yeah,
the fridge, but
yeah.
keep it cold.
No, it's nice.
That's right, Mom.
Even without, palaman. Pick that up, please. Okay, guys. Close the vlog now, Sarap. Thank you.
Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and say next one. Bye.
Bye. Night, guys.
Time, so to speak.